Hi everyone, welcome back to Makes and Bakes. Today we're making a beautiful DIY paper flower. Let's get started. Step 1. Take your 10 circles and make them into cones. I will show you how to make one and you can do the rest the same. Step 2. Stick all the cones onto a circle like this. Step 3. Stick the bead onto the flower. And there you have it, your own DIY paper flower. I hope you liked this video. If you like this craft, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative ideas. See you next time.